Hello all, today we are gonna make a paper yacht. That is, we are gonna turn this paper into that. Yes, and that is gonna be happening in just 3 simple steps. Now let's dive in. So I'm using a guided lines paper, but you can use a normal color paper. So first step is to fold it diagonally, and you can crease it. Now we are going to make the second fold, which is take about 1/4 or 1/5 of the paper and fold it. So this guided paper help you with these kind of folds where you can see the exact horizontal line with which you can fold quite accurately. That's the reason I prefer this, but any color paper would do. So now just turn it the other way. Okay. So this is just to make sure the crease is strong enough on both sides, because we are going to make an inside fold. So now once you have done with this, just open it. So now you can see three creases, one the diagonal one, and one like this and like this. So now just turn the paper, put it down, and just press on the way where they intersect. And now you will be getting a slight tilt like this once you press the point where they all join. Now you fold it here. So when you fold it here, you can see it's coming to shape. So now what you need to do is just press here and pull it back, and now you can just tighten it along the crease. Okay, so we have the shape of the hatch now, but the problem is it's all open-ended like this. It's all too open. So in order to make it or to lock it, it's quite simple. Just turn your paper, and this is what we want to lock. So just hold it tight and make a small folding like this. It should start from this edge where this starts, and then all the way down. You can make it up to or 2 like this. Now on the other side as well, you can use the first one as a guide. Yep, there you go. Now it's locked together, and there you go. So now you have a paper hatch, and this is as simple as this. You can try it. You can try it on all different sizes, and the procedure is quite same. Hope you liked it. Give a thumbs up for the video if you liked it. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel.